Hi, Namaste, Sujata here. Today I am going to talk about my needlework painting, Roadside Waterfall. This painting I have done on cloth using threads as a medium. There are rocks and water is falling through them. We can see the transparency of the water catched in threads. There are also grass and different types of plants which we normally see around the waterfall. Everything is beautifully and skillfully captured in stitches. For greenery, there are 3-4 green shades are used to create the effect of dense greenery and also of light and shadow effects of that plants and grass. It took 4 months to create this painting